was ngixoxela story about how I almost became a missing person this morning. Yazi belizoshona ilanga kukhona ama-poster ka-missing person kushiwo mina. So, I have an appointment ngokora past 8. I have an appointment and I wake up nice and early because I know Uguti, with traffic on the N4, N1, it's gonna take me probably an hour. So ngivuke early nje nice and early. My first alarm, akuvuke nge-alarm eyodwa. So I have a first alarm, second alarm. If ngempela nginenkinga eningi, I have a third alarm. But today I just had my normal 2. Eyango 6, enye eyango 6:15, which is the one engivuke ngayo. Ngivuke ngenze my normal morning-ish routine, make the bed, open the curtains, and then I call ekhaya because Uyi is going to grade 1. Pelu babes, I must see her before I is calling. So I call them, video call them, chat, nokele kancane, and then I jump into the shower. Jump into the shower. After that, I'm now getting dressed and all of that. So I'm like, you know what? Acting into wait and save Uber. It will give me enough time ukuthi ngiqedelele what I'm doing. And then by the time udriver wami efika ngizobe sengiqedile nami. I told myself ukuthi fanele ngibe sengiphumile by 7, right? Then sekuzoshaya isikhathi sokuthi ngiphume. Ithini Uber, ithi my driver is 16 minutes away. I'm like, I can't wait 16 minutes. So cancel the trip and then I go on Bolt. Let me just check. Okay, the person is not too far. See, the person's about 9 minutes away, but I thought it was like some other area because he looked close. I know the area because kungalana engihlala khona. And then literally a minute after I took request that then rectify, it's 3 minutes away. Okay, sharp. I'm like, okay, then I'm saying sengizophuma. Hibo, but manje 3 minutes later, 5 minutes later, it still says he's 3 minutes away. So I call him. Hi, kwenzakalani? To know I was dropping off someone, they decided to drop it off la, but now we're having a problem with payments. And like, problem with payments, umute card idonza before as a figure drive imali cardin lako. If you take cash, usholani ukuthi cash ungenawo cash. No, we're having a problem, ube take cash, kwanjani, sharp. I'm like, you know what, it's fine. I'm sure into ezophela manje. Let me just go down so long. Ngizomlinda egate. I wait there for like a good 5 minutes. Afike. Sharp. I approach the car. Ngihlale emuva mina mangena kwi-Uber or Bolt. Uma ngivula, there's a lady at the back. I thought maybe bebesakhuluma beqedelela inkulumo mina ngasheshe ngawuvula umnyango maybe uyehla. How? Ngizwa ngabantu sebeyakhuluma. No, you come sit in front. Okay, it's like, no, she must sit in front. I'm like, why is there someone who's sitting in front with another stranger in the car? What are you talking about? That's not an option for me. Front back, kukhona omunye passenger is not an option for me. I'm sorry. It's not an option for me. And then the lady's like, no, he's just going to drop me off by the corner. Ngiyawacabanga onke amakhona akhona. I'm like, leli khona okhuluma ngalo my sister, yikhona elidlulile ngathi nizalana. Why ungihlanga? Now I start walking towards igate le pedestrian phela lasendlini because I'm like, ay mina andizi. Ngizwa ngomuntu engimemeza uyambiza. Ugeli ungaphandle. So I'm like, okay, maybe she decided ukuthi uyehla. Uzokwehlalana akafuna ukuthi enze inkinga zakhe inkinga zami and akafuna futhi ukuthi wenze inkinga zakhe inkinga zika driver. And the thing that I was not understanding is why is the driver so relaxed? Iphelile trip kageli, meaning imali obuzoyithola kugeli iphelele. Now you are gonna put imali osuzoyithola kumina on the line for ugeli. Mina bengizothi my sister ngicela ungehlele. Ngeke ungcost imali. Ngizosebenza mina. Angibiza ugeli. No, I'm coming from work. please trust me, I'm a healthcare professional. She starts unzipping a jacket yakhe, and she has exercise book, those labels, but it doesn't have like a border or something like that. It's plain white. It's like, no, I'm a healthcare professional. Ngekamuka emsebenzini, believe like Amy, my sister ngena. I'm like, hey, like my from the time ngivula umnyango ngibona the lady sitting at the back, my spirit just felt so unsettled. I was 100% sure ukuthi kule moto angeni. I'm like, futhi wena, why are you bothered? I need to, the fact that ngiyahamba means ngizokwenza enye plan uhlanganaphi wena.
Hi Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Masemzansi. Yabona makuyi-boils yona, i-boils app, or people need to delete that shit because hayibo guys hlezi kunetikandali te-boils. Ngiyayibona ne-Uber but i-boils ngathi ngiyo le nje abantu bahlala ba-expose ukuthi babantshontshele bebazama kuba-kidnapper teningi nje titori te-boils lapha kuma-social media platforms leti shaqisa mtimba lokwenta abantu abaningi basho ukuthi guys aniyidiletheni leya app nkosi yami because urequesta kahle thinking ukuthi tokuthathe kubeke only to find yourself uthathelwe tinto takho udlenguliwe ukidnashwiwe. So bantu bayasho nje ukuthi anibe careful guys nge-boils, anibe nje watch out nge-boils because tiningi tigemegeme letendakalako or kuma-boils. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.